Okay, so what? What did you learn in science class?
It was in math class.
Math class, okay.
And if you squeeze an egg, if you put it in the middle of your palm and just squeeze it, you can't break it. Yeah,
Try it.
There's a bowl.
Yeah, we'll get a bowl. Alright, so we got a pan. Alright. Okay.
Look, if you use all your might, can't break it.
You're not trying, Jasmine.
Yes, I am. I'm trying.
Jasmine, try harder.
I am trying.
There's no freaking way.
It's true. You want to try?
Fine. Give me the egg. Okay, how am I supposed to do it?
Okay, so you put it in the middle of your palm,
Okay.
but you can't have any rings on or anything.
Okay, no
You
rings.
just, like this.
Okay.
You can't put one of your fingers in there.
Like this.
That and squeeze.
Wait.
told
No. Okay, hold on. No. No way. Are you serious?
Told you.
No. Oh, that's some bullshit. Wow. Okay. Okay, try it one more time. There's no way. Okay, hold on. Let me try a different egg. I got some more eggs here. Okay. You said put in the palm of your hand.
Yes. Put it on your hand.
Fingers over.
Like this.
Like this.
Squeeze.
Get out of here. This is not, I tell you, I am squeezing this sucker hard. There's no way. Wow. Okay.
But if you just go like this.
Okay. Well, of
It'll
course. Yeah, go ahead and break it. People don't think it's fake.
Or like this.
Yeah, just go ahead and break it. That's, wow. Okay. Learn something new every day.